So if you've ever wanted to make money with a YouTube channel, but you don't want to be on camera like me, well, you're in luck. Here's why. Because it has never been easier. I mean, of course I'm more handsome and muscular than him, but that's why I'm the face of this show and not him. Seriously though, making money on YouTube without showing your face has never been easier, and let me explain why. First, the AI tools that are out right now are making tasks much more simple, and they are just going to keep getting better. Second is how YouTube has changed in a great way for beginners, and I'm going to go over all of it in this free training. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step system that lets you build a profitable YouTube channel from scratch without needing to be on camera, have expensive equipment, or even know anything about video editing. Imagine creating content that works for you 24/7, making money while you sleep and giving you the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Sounds pretty great, right? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start, plus a special opportunity to accelerate your success. This training is perfect for aspiring YouTubers who don't want to be on camera, people looking for a profitable side hustle, entrepreneurs who want to use YouTube to grow their business, and anyone tired of the 9-to-5 grind and ready for financial freedom. If any of that sounds like you, then you're in the right place. Now, let's get into the training. Today, we're breaking down the 3 secrets to building a faceless YouTube channel and actually making money from it. The first one is that YouTube has changed their algorithm to help smaller niche channels, carving a new way to make money on YouTube without showing your face. The second secret is that now more than ever, niches have the potential to thrive, so we will dive into the most profitable ones to choose. Lastly, we are going to go over what really matters, which is how to actually create and monetize the niche videos without having to film anything yourself. Stick with me until the end, and you'll get a chance to shortcut your success and start seeing results faster. YouTube has changed, and that's great news for beginners. It's no longer about having the biggest following. It's about keeping viewers engaged. Even with a brand new channel, you can gain traction and build an income if you do things the right way. So how do you make money without showing your face? Secret 1 is faceless niche-based content. Instead of personal vlogs or talking head videos, you create content using stock footage, AI-generated voiceovers, and animations. This method works because YouTube now prioritizes watch time, engagement, and retention over sheer subscriber count. Here's how you can start. Find a niche that's in demand and something that you enjoy. We will talk about this later in the training. But you can do this by looking at trending topics and find areas where people are searching for content, but not enough videos exist. Next, create engaging videos without filming yourself. By using stock footage, B-roll, screen recordings, and AI-generated voiceovers to produce high-quality content without stepping in front of the camera. One of the most important parts is to hook the viewers in the first 10 seconds. The key to keeping people watching is starting strong. Use curiosity, surprising facts, or bold statements to grab attention. Lastly, you want to optimize for search and recommendations by using keyword research tools like vidIQ and TubeMagic to ensure your videos rank high in search results. Success with this strategy comes down to the triple R method. Research trending topics and keywords to create videos people are already looking for. Refine your content by modeling successful videos in your niche and making them even better. Retain your audience by crafting engaging stories, keeping a fast pace, and using high-quality visuals and sound. With these tactics, you can build a channel that grows consistently and earns income passively. Picking the right niche is everything, and some niches perform way better than others, especially when it comes to ad revenue and monetization. This leads us into secret number 2, the best niches to make money with a faceless YouTube channel. The first is finance and investing. Think stock market updates, personal finance tips, and money saving strategies. Finance channels often have high ad revenue because advertisers in this niche are willing to pay more. Next is tech reviews and how-tos. This niche covers the latest gadgets, software, and tech hacks. When you think about all the new products launching all the time, you'll realize that you will never run out of content ideas. The next one is health and wellness. With this niche, you can share fitness routines, give diet tips or mental health advice, or self-improvement strategies. People are always searching for ways to improve their health. This next one is fun and is luxury and motivation. In this niche, you can create high-end lifestyle content, motivational speeches, or billionaire success stories. These types of videos get millions of views and are highly shareable. Next is AI and productivity tools. And as we keep seeing AI and automation take off, more people are looking for guidance on how to use all of these different tools effectively. How fun would it be to learn how to use a new AI tool to help you create videos for your YouTube channel and then make a video reviewing that AI tool and make money while doing it? Pretty crazy. Lastly, we have educational and tutorial channels. This is where you can teach people something valuable, whether it's how to use a software program, learn a new language, or understand complex topics in simple terms. Now this is the secret sauce with number 3, how to create the videos and make money. Let's break this down even if you've never edited before. And don't worry, I'll have links to all of these tools in the description of this video. First, you find trending topics by using tools like TubeMagic, vidIQ, or Google Trends to identify what people are searching for. Next, you gather visuals from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Canva, or use AI tools like vidAI or NIM that offer high-quality stock footage animations and graphics to make your videos visually appealing and high-end. Now to the fun part with AI voiceovers. Using tools like 11 Labs, Murph AI, or HeyGen can generate professional-sounding voiceovers in just minutes, and you can even clone your own voice if you wanted to. Now that you have everything you need to make a video, it's time to edit like a pro. With these free or very affordable tools like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, it makes editing super easy and fun, even if you have never edited before. There are also AI sites like InVideo, vidAI, and revidAI that will pretty much make the videos for you with just a little instruction at a very low cost. All you have to do is post them. Once the videos are done, it's time to optimize for search using tools like TubeMagic and vidIQ. These tools make it extremely simple to research keywords to use for engaging titles, thumbnails, SEO-friendly descriptions, and tags. TubeMagic will actually write all of these for you. All you have to do is copy and paste. Now it's time to leverage some other AI tools to help you automate repetitive tasks, generate subtitles, and streamline your content production to save time. The best tools for this are revidAI and ChatGPT. So now that you have your videos in production, let's talk about how to make money. The first way is the one most people think about and is through YouTube ad revenue. The money starts flowing this way once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which, as long as you are consistent, will be easy with the new algorithm. The next is one of the best ways to make the most money, and that's affiliate marketing. This is what I was talking about before, where you learn how to use an AI tool to make videos for your YouTube channel, and then turn around and make a video about how to use it. When other people watch that video and learn from you and use it themselves, you get paid. You can pretty much do that with any product or program now. Almost everyone incorporates an affiliate program that goes along with their own company's marketing strategy. It's pretty much the way to market in today's world. Another cool way is through sponsorships from companies that you like and enjoy that will pay you to feature their products in your videos once you have an engaged audience. The next up-and-coming item is the ability to promote digital products and courses from someone else, or create your own. These include things like ebooks, templates, or online courses. Once you have a little following, you can also offer memberships on YouTube or sites like Patreon for exclusive content to dedicated followers who are willing to pay for bonus material. With multiple revenue streams, you can turn a YouTube channel into a full-time, automated business that earns money on autopilot. So now you know how it all works, and have everything you need to start your own faceless YouTube channel and begin making money with it. The only thing left to do is take action. The question is, do you want to figure it all out on your own, or follow an already proven system that can walk you step by step and get you making money at warp speed. After trying out every program we could find, we have found the absolute best one for beginners and experienced YouTubers alike. It's called Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0. This is a step-by-step blueprint designed to take you from beginner to profitable YouTube creator without ever showing your face. Matt Parr has cracked the code to YouTube. He runs over 12 different channels and making multiple seven-figure incomes doing it. This program is packed with exactly the right amount of information that is extremely easy to follow. Let's quickly go over what it covers. Module 1 is basically a how-to guide for the course. In this module, you'll get an overview of the course, join their private mastermind community for networking and support, and learn how to navigate the lessons effectively. He also covers how to access exclusive bonuses designed to help you start fast and effectively. Module 2 is about the 3 stages of YouTube, and in this module you'll get an overview of the entire blueprint, breaking down the 3 key stages of YouTube success. He dives into real case studies, provides a step-by-step checklist to keep you on track, and sets clear expectations for your journey. This module is all about giving you the roadmap to follow, so you know exactly what to expect at each stage. In Module 3, he focuses on choosing the right niche for your YouTube channel. You'll learn different approaches to YouTube, discover his most profitable high CPM niches, and get access to valuable market research tools. Plus, you'll receive exclusive bonus lists of over 100 profitable niches and 239 plus example channels to inspire your journey. In Module 4, you will set up your YouTube channel for long-term success. You'll learn about the powerful 33 rule, discover the best YouTube tool to streamline your workflow, and start planning a strong content strategy. Plus, he shares his secret SEO keyword process to help your videos rank and get discovered. This module is all about building the right foundation. Module 5 is all about generating high-quality videos efficiently. You'll break down the anatomy of a viral video, learn how to systematize your production process, and discover how to create scripts, voiceovers, and edits without spending a dime. He also covers where to find free content legally and explain fair use. Plus, you'll get bonus checklists to keep everything organized. Module 6 covers how to upload and optimize your videos for maximum reach. You'll learn the right way to optimize titles, tags, and thumbnails, how to create a consistent content calendar, and the best practices for scheduling and publishing videos. Plus, he dives into how the YouTube algorithm really works so you can use it to your advantage. Module 7 is the growth module, where they focus on scaling your channel. You'll gain a deep understanding of YouTube analytics, how they really works. They also bust common myths about going viral and share what actually leads to explosive growth. Plus, you'll learn the best time of day to upload your content for maximum impact. Module 8 is the monetization module, where it all pays off. You'll learn how to make more money than most YouTubers by tapping into multiple revenue streams. They cover all the different ways you can monetize your channel. Plus, they share their personal favorite method for making money with YouTube. Get ready to turn your passion into profit. In this final module, they focus on scaling and outsourcing. You'll learn how to hire just one person to handle your entire content creation process, and how to build a streamlined video production assembly line. Plus, you'll get bonus fill-in-the-blank scripts and a behind-the-scenes look at how he hires his own team. This is how you turn your channel into a hands-off business. It's time to scale up. So obviously, the amount of information that is packed into the program to help you shortcut all the beginner mistakes and get you making money fast is truly amazing. But they actually have an extra module now for all the bonuses they are offering for a limited time. Let me give you a quick overview of them. The first is the step-by-step success bundle. This is a complete roadmap to building a faceless YouTube channel with a step-by-step checklist. Next is a content creation toolkit. This will ensure you will never run out of ideas or struggle with scripting again, utilizing idea and script templates to streamline your workflow and keep your content engaging. Then there is the YouTube growth and strategy guide. This will guide you in learning the best practices for optimizing your videos. To help you make money fast, he has an affiliate and monetization playbook, which help you discover high-paying affiliate programs, sponsorship opportunities, and monetization strategies. He also provides you with a hiring and outsourcing guide, so that when you're ready to scale, you can find the top hiring platforms. He provides you with a stock footage and resource vault, so you will have access to a list of stock footage, music, and photo sources. He has the equipment and software list, so whether you're starting with a phone or investing in professional gear, you can find the best equipment. Next, he helps you with his personal brand and business secrets, so you can quickly learn how to establish a powerful brand. He has established a private community and support group, so you can gain exclusive access to like-minded creators where you can ask questions, get support, and stay accountable. Lastly, he gives you an advanced training section with proven case studies, so you get insider knowledge with a deep dive into all the secrets to succeed. This is a total bonus value of over $8,000 that they give to you for free if you sign up before their special goes away. Based on our research, a program like this would typically cost at least $5,000 or more. And with the incredible bonuses they're currently offering, valued at over $8,000, the total real-world value of this course comes out to more than $13,000. The last time we checked, thanks to their ongoing specials, the price was around $1,500, but that may have changed since then. Regardless of the exact price, it's definitely worth giving it a try, especially since it comes with a 100% risk-free 30-day guarantee. If you haven't made your money back within that time, you can simply request a full refund. So go ahead and click the link in the description below to check the current price and see if this opportunity is still available. Really quick, we found some of their frequently asked questions that we wanted to share with you. Do I need experience to benefit from this program? Nope. This program walks you through everything. Can I do this from anywhere? Absolutely. All you need is a laptop and internet. What if I don't have a big budget? Many tools are free or low cost. Is YouTube too competitive? Not at all. The algorithm rewards engagement, not just big channels. As we wrap up this training, we wanted to offer you a free guide of over 50 different profitable faceless niches with actual links to example channels where you can get ideas from. To access this free guide, just click the link below where it says free guide so you can take advantage of it. We hope you enjoyed this training, and no matter what, we encourage you to take action. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips on YouTube success. Your support helps us continue to create content that empowers creators like you. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or fellow creators who might benefit from these strategies. Engaging with our content not only helps us grow, but also fosters a community of aspiring YouTubers eager to learn and succeed together. Remember that the journey to YouTube success is a continuous learning process, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Embrace the opportunities that niche channels offer, leverage the benefits of the Tube Mastery and Monetization program, and take your content creation to new heights. Together, we can navigate the exciting world of YouTube and unlock your full potential as a creator. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.